So what's an MVP? Very simply put, it's a minimal viable product. It's the smallest possible thing that you can do in order to get the most out of it. So we are talking here about products or services, right? So what you'll want to do is build something very little, very small, and then actually go out there, try it out and see if it actually gains some traction. We very often get lost in trying to build something huge, massive, and have all the options in there that we could even think of, and the customers quite frankly get confused. We don't want this. A confused customer is always a loss. So in this particular case, what you'll want to do is do something very little, very small, and try it out. It can be as little as a paper prototype, which is something that we're going to be talking about, or it could be something where you just launch it from the ground up. Could be a paper prototype, something that you draw out on paper and go out to your family and friends, maybe already potential customers, and then actually show it to them and say, hey, what do you think about this? What do you think about my value proposition, for example? We talked about that in the previous video. So what you really want to do is you want to build this from the ground up, be very specific, have one hypothesis, one problem that you're solving better than anybody else, and then go out there and just try it and build your minimal viable product from the ground up and see if it works.